Coal, petroleum and natural gas are fossil fuels. How coal was formed, all of you know. And
Yes, ma'am.
day before yesterday I had discussed formation of coal. And yesterday you have read how petroleum is formed and refining of petroleum and products of petroleum. Okay, when petroleum is refined, we get useful products. Have you memorized name of useful products and their
Yes, ma'am.
usage? All of you have memorized?
Yes, ma'am.
Very important question. Like first one you had read, what is the name of the product? Residual oil. And further it is divided into three types. Can you name them?
Asphalt, paraffin wax and lubricating oil.
Yes, asphalt, paraffin wax and lubricating oil. You have read asphalt is used to make road and it is also used for coating of the underside of the electric pole. Then you have read about paraffin wax. It is used to make candle and ointment and Vaseline. Okay. Then lubricating oil is used in the machines to reduce friction. You have read. Next product you had read. Do you remember what was the next product?
Fuel oil. Fuel oil.
Yes, fuel oil that is used in boiler, because in exam you will be asked very important question. And then you have read about kerosene, petrol. Petrol is also called gasoline. What is use of kerosene? It is used in the lantern and also used for cooking.
Domestic fuel.
Yes, it is used as a domestic fuel and also used in the lantern. And then you have read about gasoline, which is also called petrol. Diesel, that is used in heavy vehicles like tractor, bus, truck, etc. And petrol or gasoline is used in light vehicles like car, scooter, bike. It is also used in laundry for dry cleaning. Okay, for dry cleaning the clothes, this petrol is used. And you have also read about aviation fuel. What is aviation fuel? Very important.
It is used for running the aeroplanes.
Yes, it is used in aeroplane. Now you have read about the petrol, you have read about diesel. Then now you should know that that
You are muted yourself.
I have muted. Okay, I will unmute. No, I am not muted. Now, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, somebody had called. That is why there was some issue. Okay, now you should know about. So you have read the uses of all the products of petroleum. That is very important. Petroleum gas, that is liquefied under high pressure, and then it is called liquefied petroleum gas, that is used as a domestic fuel. You have read in our house what we are using? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay. Now you will see, children, about the natural gas. It is also a fossil fuel and it is found along with petroleum, once I have told you. And there are some oil fields in India, that is Godavari Krishna Basin, Tripura and Mumbai High. These are the places where oil wells are located. You have to underline the names. Very important. Underline it. When I tell you to underline something, you should understand it is very important from examination point of view. So underline it. Name of gas fields. Gas fields in India are located in Godavari Krishna Basin, Mumbai High and Tripura. Okay. Now you should know about the natural gas. It is found along with petroleum, just above petroleum. So when drilling is done, firstly we will get natural gas and then petroleum. Now this natural gas is a cleaner fuel. Why it is cleaner? Because it does not produce any pollutant. It does not produce smoke, it does not produce poisonous gases like wood and coal. Okay, so it is a cleaner fuel. And when it has high calorific value. I have discussed what is calorific value. What is calorific value? Can you explain?
The amount of heat energy get when 1 kilogram of a substance burn in pure air.
Yes, very good. So its calorific value is high. It means it is a good fuel. And it is used as a domestic as well as industrial fuel, and it is better and greener automobile fuel, and it is also used as a base ingredient in chemicals and fertilizers. Fertilizers and chemicals are made in the factories, and for making fertilizers and chemicals we use natural gas as a base ingredient. इसके बगैर बनेगा ही नहीं, ठीक है। तो ये फर्टिलाइज़र बनाने में या फिर अभी मैं आपको बताई दूसरा और क्या हम लोग बनाते हैं, केमिकल्स। ये सारे चीज़ फैक्ट्री में बनते हैं और इनको बनाने के लिए हम लोगों को नेचुरल गैस की आवश्यकता होती है। ये एक इंग्रेडिएंट है, ठीक है। तो नेचुरल गैस के बारे में समझ गए। ये एक फॉसिल फ्यूल है जो कि पेट्रोलियम के साथ मिलता है। पेट्रोलियम के ऊपर में नेचुरल गैस रहता है। जब ड्रिलिंग किया जाता है ऑयल वेल में तो पहले नेचुरल गैस बाहर आता है और फिर पेट्रोलियम। और इंडिया में कुछ जगह हैं जहाँ पर कि ऑयल वेल्स मिलते हैं, जैसे आप नाम अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए, गोदावरी, कृष्णा बेसिन, त्रिपुरा और मुंबई हाई। इन जगहों में ऑयल वेल्स मिलते हैं, ठीक है। और ये एक क्लीनर फ्यूल है, ग्रीनर फ्यूल है। क्यों कहते हैं इसको क्लीनर? क्योंकि ये स्मोक नहीं प्रोड्यूस करता है जलने पर, रेसिड्यू नहीं प्रोड्यूस करता है। जैसे कोल को हम लोग जलाते हैं तो ऐश बनता है, राख निकलता है, लेकिन अगर नेचुरल गैस को हम लोग यूज करते हैं तो उसमें कोई भी ऐश का प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है, ना ही स्मोक का प्रोडक्शन होता है। इसलिए हम लोग इसको क्लीनर फ्यूल कहते हैं और इसको पाइपलाइन से भी ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जा सकता है, ठीक है। कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू भी हाई होता है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको क्लीनर फ्यूल कहते हैं। एनी प्रॉब्लम?
नो मैम, नो मैम।
नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ आप और अंडरलाइन कीजिए कि इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ बेस इंग्रेडिएंट इन मेकिंग फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड केमिकल्स। फर्टिलाइज़र और केमिकल बनाने में भी इसका यूज होता है। और जब कंप्रेस किया जाता है नेचुरल गैस को तो हम लोगों को मिलता है व्हेन इट इज़ कंप्रेस्ड अंडर हाई प्रेशर देन CNG इज फॉर्म, कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस। Again full form of CNG and LPG is very important. Okay, in 1 mark question it may be asked. So now the next topic is cleaner fuels. अभी आपने पढ़ा कि natural gas is a cleaner fuel. Page number 115. It is page number 115, children. Somebody is asking what is page number. Compress आयुष रतन, हाँ, यस आई विल एक्सप्लेन। कंप्रेस किसी भी चीज़ को जो हम लोग ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालते हैं तो वो दबता है, इसी को हम लोग कहते हैं कंप्रेस करना, ठीक है। तो जब आप एक इन्फ्लेटेड बैलून में प्रेशर डालते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, कंप्रेस होता है, ठीक है। तो ये कंप्रेस्ड अंडर हाई प्रेशर एंड देन इट इज फॉर्मिंग CNG, कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस। और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्लीनर फ्यूल्स। अभी आपने पढ़ा कोल, वुड, नेचुरल गैस, पेट्रोल, डीजल, सारे फ्यूल्स के बारे में। तो यू हैव ऑब्जर्व चिल्ड्रन दैट कोल और वुड इज नॉट अ क्लीनर फ्यूल because when it is burnt it produces ash, it produces smoke that causes air pollution, because after burning of coal and wood some poisonous gases are also released in the air like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, which may cause pollution in air. But when we will burn LPG, CNG, then lesser emission will take place, no residue will be left behind, so it will not cause air pollution in the air. Okay, उससे ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन होगा, इससे रिलेटिवली कम होगा। तो आजकल हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फॉर इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड फॉर ग्रोइंग पॉपुलेशन देयर इज अ स्ट्रेन ऑन द environment, on the infrastructure and on different natural resources. Due to increase in population, due to industrialization, due to infrastructure, due to deforestation, there is too much strain on our environment, on our natural resources. And burning of fossil fuels is a major source of pollution. As I told you, coal, petroleum and natural gas, these are fossil fuels, and coal produces poisonous gases like CO2 and it causes air pollution. So it is a major cause of air pollution. The present day strategy, now what is to be done to prevent this air pollution? Nowadays we are supposed to use, or we are supposed to depend on alternative sources of energy. What is alternative source of energy? Like solar energy, wind energy, hydel energy, thermal energy, geothermal energy or tidal energy. All these are alternative sources of energy. So we should increase our dependence on alternative sources of energy instead of fossil fuels. If we will increase our dependence on alternative sources of energy, you know these sources of energy are renewable sources of energy. They will be immediately formed in the nature. Okay? They will not take millions of years to be formed. So our future generation will also get the chance to use fossil fuels. When we will increase our dependence on alternative sources of energy, our dependence on fossil fuels will reduce, and our future generation, next generation will also get coal, petroleum, natural gas. Okay, so if we are increasing dependence on alternative sources, it will be very beneficial for our environment and for our future generation also. Okay children, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So to avoid the energy crisis, we have to increase our dependence on alternative sources of energy. What are alternative sources of energy? You have seen these are renewable sources of energy like tidal energy. Tidal energy can be used to generate electricity, and geothermal energy, that is energy that we are getting from the earth. Geo means earth. When we go deeper in the under the surface of the earth, some streams are coming out, and that is used to produce electricity. That is geothermal energy. Okay, geothermal energy, tidal energy, wind energy or hydel energy, all, or solar energy, we are getting energy from the sunlight. All these are alternative sources of energy which do not take millions of years to be formed. They are immediately formed in the nature. So to avoid the energy crisis and for the availability of fossil fuels for the next generation, we have to increase our dependence on renewable sources of energy or alternative sources of energy. And these alternative sources of energy will also not cause pollution in the air. That's all about this topic. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोगों को क्लीनर फ्यूल्स यूज करना चाहिए, जैसे LPG, CNG, बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, ये क्या हैं, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स क्या हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स लेते हैं बनने में, ये नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है। तो अगर हम उनको यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा, उनको बनने में काफ़ी समय लगता है, इसलिए हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, फ्यूचर जनरेशन में इसकी कमी हो जाएगी। तो हम लोगों को क्या यूज करना चाहिए, हम लोगों को अल्टरनेटिव सोर्सेस ऑफ एनर्जी यूज करना चाहिए, जैसे सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, हाइडल एनर्जी, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी, टाइडल एनर्जी, ये सारे एनर्जी फ्रॉम बायोमास, एनर्जी फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन, ये सारा यूज करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पॉल्यूशन को भी कम कर सकते हैं, एयर पॉल्यूशन को, और हम अपने नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को भी ये दे सकते हैं ताकि उनको इस चीज़ की क्राइसिस नहीं हो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स की। ठीक है। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम।
अब हम लोग देखते हैं,
यस मैम।
चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट योर। मेरे तरफ से ये रिवीजन हो रहा है, आपके तरफ से रिवीजन ज़्यादा जरूरी है। चिल्ड्रन, यू शुड बी मोर एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग रिवीजन टाइम। आई हैड ऑलरेडी taught all these chapters, so this time you should be more active. Okay, your activation is required. So I think all of you are going through revision properly. Now your examination is at your hand. January is over. Now February will start, and in the mid of February generally board exam is conducted. Sometimes from 16th February, sometimes from 17th February. So you should prepare all the chapters. When I say you anything important, you should underline and you should revise the chapter thoroughly. Question may be asked from anywhere. Now I will raise question to check whether you are preparing for your board exam or not. Fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are non-renewable sources of energy.
Petrol and coal.
Yes, very good. Somebody is writing, Rishabh, explain residual oil. Residual oil is a product of petroleum. Okay, and it is further divided into 3 types. That is asphalt, next is paraffin wax, and last one is lubricating oil. Asphalt is used for construction of road and also for painting the underside of the electric pole. And paraffin wax is used to make candle, vaseline and ointment. And lubricating oil is used in the machines to reduce friction. This is all about residual oil. Did you understand, Rishabh?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, all of you turn on your video so that I may see who is answering the question. Is there any problem in turning on the video, children? Only few children turn on the video.
No ma'am.
All of you turn on your video. Then it will seem that we are really in a classroom. Okay, virtual classroom can be converted into real classroom if all of you turn on your video. We can interact with each other. Okay, so dash and dash are non-renewable sources of energy. All of you have read?
Petrol and coal.
Yes.
And petroleum.
Coal and no, don't write petrol. Coal and petroleum.
Petroleum.
Okay. Residual means what is left. रेसिडुअल मीन्स अवशेष, हिंदी में इसको क्या कहेंगे, अवशेष, जो कुछ बच जाता है। ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग कोल को जलाते हैं तो क्या रेसिड्यू मिलता है, ऐश मिलता है। ठीक है, तो रेसिडुअल मतलब वही होता है। डैश इज अ मेजर रिन्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्स।
Solar energy.
Yes, solar energy, very good. The process in which coal is strongly heated in the absence of air is known as dash. Destructive distillation. Okay, very good children, but turn on your video so that I may see who is answering. All of you turn on your video. Next, in oil wells, dash is always found above the layer of petroleum.
Natural gas.
Yes, very good. Next,
Natural gas.
very good children. Next, dash is a black viscous liquid obtained by destructive distillation of coal.
Coal tar.
Yes, coal tar. Very good.
Coal tar.
I had told you to memorize use of coal tar, coke and coal gas. All of you have memorized?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video. Turn on your video. Nobody is turning on. Shubham, class 8C. Turn on your video, give the answer. What is the use of coke? Shubham, class 8C. Answer the question. What is the use of coke? Aditya Arya. Give the answer. 8A. Aditya Arya and Shubham couldn't answer. Next, who can?
What is question?
Question is, what is the use of coke? Very important.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, give.
Ma'am, may I? Coke can be used to make fuel gas.
What is the use of coke?
Ma'am,
Three uses.
used for extraction of metals and it can be used for making gases. Fuel gas.
Yes. Three uses I had discussed. First one, it is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Second use you have read, children, it is used in the extraction of metals. And last use you have read, it is used to make gaseous fuel like water gas, producer gas, etc. What is the formula of water gas and producer gas?
Water gas, CO plus N2. Producer gas, CO plus N2.
Very good. Now see, true or false? Fossil fuels are renewable natural resources.
False.
False. Children, now you have to be more active. I will not tell you the answer. I have taught you the entire chapter. This is second time. You have to appear in your board exam, so you have to give the answer. Next, anthracite has higher carbon content than lignite.
True.
What is the percentage of carbon content in anthracite, can you say, and lignite?
90%.
Yes, and in lignite?
90%.
In lignite?
38%.
Yes. And you
38%.
yes.
38.
And in peat?
30%.
Very good. And in bituminous?
65%.
So, yes. So you should memorize 30, 38, 65, 90%. Peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite respectively. Next, coke can be used to make fuel gases.
True.
Yes, correct. Next, natural gas is found below the petroleum layers.
False.
Yes, it is found above petroleum layers. Very good. Now, burning of fossil fuels is a major source of pollution.
True.
True, very good. Now tick the correct option. Okay. The highest grade of coal is known as which one?
Anthracite.
Why?
Anthracite.
Why? Yes, because it contains highest carbon content, that is 90% carbon. Okay, very good. Next, coke and coal tar are obtained from petroleum, natural gas, coal, diesel. Coal, very good. Now, next question. Some children are joining class very late. Next is Different types of coal generally have the same content of volatile material and same percentage of carbon. Same content of volatile material but different percentage of carbon. Different content of volatile material but same percentage of carbon. Different content of volatile material as well as different percentage of carbon. Last one is correct. Okay. On the basis of volatile material and the percentage of carbon, the coals are of different variety. It is the basis to categorize the coal, volatile material and carbon content. Okay, so these different varieties of coal differ in carbon content and also differ in volatile material. Next, a product that is from somewhere background sound is coming. Vedans. Now see, next question. A product that is not obtained through the refining of petroleum is, can you say which one is correct? Coal gas. Yes, it is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. So it is, it is coal gas. Okay. Next, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Tidal energy. Yes. Yes, tidal energy. Diesel, coal and petrol are non-renewable sources of energy. And rest are, so only one is renewable source, that is tidal energy. Next, question number D. Now children, you have to give the answer. I won't say the answer. If you will be not able to reply, then I will explain. Otherwise, you have to answer the question. Next, define the term fuel.
The substance produced by
Yes, Kumar, Ansu and Ayush Ratan both have replied. What about rest children? Shruti 8B, turn on your video. Shruti 8B, turn on your video. Shruti has raised her hand. Very good, Shruti. Next question you have to answer. Name any two renewable natural sources of energy. Shruti. Two natural renewable sources of energy. Shruti, you are taking too much time. Time is over. Now, Rishabh Raj, give the answer. Two renewable natural sources of energy.
solar energy and tidal energy.
Very good. Correct answer. Next, define the term carbonization. Now, this answer should be given by रुक जाइए प्रतीक सिंह 8C give the answer. What is carbonization? Vedant Singh give the answer. What is carbonization? Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
What is carbonization? Vedant. Aditi Sinha, give the answer.
It is a process of conversion of dead plant material into coal.
Yes, correct answer. But you took too much time. Immediately you should answer the question. Next question.
No, ma'am, someone is answering.
Okay. Name the three main products obtained from destructive distillation of coal.
Ma'am, me.
Harshvardhan 8C.
Coal, tar and coal gas.
Okay, correct answer. Coke, coal tar and coal gas is obtained. And children, you should know ammoniacal liquor is also there, but in your book it is not written. Ammoniacal liquor is also there. But whatever is given in the book, only that much you have to write. Next, state two uses each of the following. Now, Harshvardhan 8C, can you answer? Two uses of the following: asphalt and paraffin wax. Harshvardhan 8C.
ma'am.
Give the answer.
Ma'am, two uses of asphalt are first making road, second coating of electric poles.
Underside of the electric pole. अंदर वाले पोर्शन में कोटिंग किया जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. यूज ऑफ पैराफिन वैक्स.
Making candles, second making vaselines.
And ointment also. Okay, very good. Now next question, Pratik Singh, 8C. Pratik Singh, turn on your video. Write the full form of CNG, LPG and PNG. Very easy and very important. Pratik Singh, 8C. Give the full form of CNG, PNG and LPG. Pratik, can't you give the answer? Pratik. Ashish Kumar, 8A. Give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer.
CNG, compressed natural gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. PNG, piped natural gas.
Very good. Next, E1. Describe in brief the process of coal formation. Sarika, 8C. Sarika, 8C. How the coal is formed. Describe in brief the process of coal formation. Sarika. Umang Raj, 8B. Aditi Sinha, 8C. Give the answer. Turn on your video.
Coal is formed is a fossil fuel formed by the gradual decay and decomposition of buried remains of trees. The slow process of conservation of wood
Not
into
conservation.
coal is called
Conservation, not conversion.
conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization.
Not appropriate answer. Who can give appropriate answer?
Ma'am, may I give?
Okay.
Coal was formed on dead plants and animals matter for purity percentage are suppressed over a large.
Two children are answering together. One child will give the answer. Two children are answering together.
Coal was formed from, ma'am, may I?
Okay, Ayush Ratan. Kumar Ansu, wait.
When plants got buried deep under the earth's crust over a large period of time, the physical and chemical properties of these plant remains were changed by the action of pressure, which pressure given by the rocks and heat given by the earth core. And by this method, the dead remains of plant changes into coal, and the process is known as carbonization.
Very good. Correct answer. Very good. Now next question is, now Kumar Ansu and Ayush Ratan, you have to not give the answer, okay? Because both of you are giving correct answer. Your preparation is excellent. I hope all of you will score 80 out of 80. Now let the other children give the answer. Prince Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Prince Raj. Give the answer. Differentiate between lignite and bituminous coal.
Lignite contain the 38% of carbon. It's and bituminous contain 65% of carbon.
Carbon content, okay? And what is their use, that also you have to write. Both are the varieties of coal, and what is their use, that also you have to write in the difference.
Lignite used only in production of electricity,
Yes.
and
Bituminous.
bituminous used in power generation.
So next point you have to write the difference about them. Now next question will be given. Answer will be given by other student, that is Ananya Singh, 8C. Ananya, turn on your video. How do petroleum and natural gas occur in nature? Ananya Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer. How do petroleum and natural gas occur in nature?
Petroleum is found at moderate depth between two layers of impervious rocks. Petroleum deposits are usually found mixed with salt water, float over it, and natural gas is found above the petroleum.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. It is found at moderate depth, means between 500 meter to 2000 meter. Okay. Petroleum is trapped between the impervious rocks, and since petroleum is lighter than saline water, it floats on the saline water, and natural gas is found above the petroleum. Okay. And you have to draw the diagram also. Can you draw the diagram showing the occurrence of petroleum and natural gas? All of you can draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this answer you will draw the diagram also. Next question. State the main advantage of using natural gas. Ananya Singh, just now you have replied. There are 2 Ananyas in your class.
Yes, ma'am.
This answer was given by this Ananya Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn on your video. Are you not able to turn on your video, Ananya Singh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now Tilak Upadhyay. Time is over. Okay, now next day. One question is left that will be discussed. Okay, children?